All right, class. Today we're going to be talking about money. You know how we've been talking about money for the last couple weeks?
Yes.
Why is it important, do you think, to know the value of money? Yes.
To buy things?
Right. So we use money to buy things, right? And a lot of times we have a piggy bank at home or a bank account that has money in it, right? And I want to ask you a question. Do you know what the word value means? Yes.
It means cents.
Okay, so yeah, in a way it does. Value is like what something's worth, right? So I'm going to show you today these different coin values. We're going to use the Florida Standard MAFS.1.MD.2A, and that's identify and combine values of money in cents up to $1, okay? So each coin we have has a value, and that can be here in the United States or anywhere in the whole world. People that have different kinds of money. Everything has a value as far as money goes. So what we're going to do is get into that more in a minute. Right now I'm going to show you this video, and I need you to turn your listening ears on, look forward, and I need you to be quiet, okay? So everybody can hear the video, okay? Yes. All right, so that would be the video, the YouTube video that's linked up in the comments on the side. Okay, so now the video's over. Did you guys like that video?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So what we're going to do is talk about the value of the video we just saw, of the coins that we just saw in the video. There was 4 coins, right?
Yes.
Okay, so look at this. I have 4 coins listed right here. I have a penny, a nickel, a dime, and a quarter, right? Does anybody know what a penny is worth? We just watched the video. Does anybody remember? Yes?
I think it's 1.
1. Okay, so this is worth 1 cent. This is 1 cent of $1, right? Out of 100. So if you have 100 of these, you would make equal $1, right? So this is 1 cent. How about this guy? He's a little bit bigger than this guy. Yes?
I think it's 5 cents.
It is. That's 5 cents. He's a little bit bigger, right? Okay, how about this one? We just learned about this in the video. Yes?
I think that one's 10.
That is 10. Good job. And how about for you? This last big guy over here. He's the biggest one we learned about today.
25 cents.
You are absolutely right. 25 cents. And then the cent symbol is really neat. It's a little C, like that. Okay? 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, and 25 cents, right? All right, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you a couple different combinations, all right? And I want you to let me know what you think it equals, okay? So we're going to use the chart behind me, but I'm also just going to hold them up, okay? So say I have 1 penny and another penny. Remember we talked about the value of a penny. 1 penny equals, you said it before?
1.
1. So if I have 1 penny and I'm going to add another penny to it, what do you think that's going to equal? Yes?
2 pennies?
Yes, which means it's 2 cents, right? Okay, so we got that down. Now how about I change out one of the pennies for a nickel? We talked about the value of a nickel, right? And you can reference the chart on the board. This equals, yes? 5, that's right. Make sure you're raising your hands, okay? 5 cents plus this guy again we saw, he's how much cents? Yep.
1.
Good job, and good job raising your hand. So 5 plus 1, and just how we do regular math, equals what?
6.
6 cents. Now you have 6 cents, okay? Let's do one more. Let's use this big guy. We're going to do, okay, so we have the big guy, the biggest one we learned about today, right? He's worth how many cents? Yes.
25.
Right, and his little friend over here, how much is he worth?
1.
Put them together.
26.
26 cents, that's right. You have 26 cents. And this guy was worth 25 and this guy was worth a penny. So that's awesome, okay? So what I'm going to have you do now is talk about the And I want you also to describe them to me. So if I hold this penny up here, can you tell me one characteristic? I'm gonna let you hold it and you can pass it around. Can you tell me one characteristic that you noticed? A characteristic is a detail, something that you noticed about that penny.
It's copper.
It is copper. So I'm gonna put a little slash here and write copper. Okay, how about you? What did you notice about the penny?
It's round.
It is round. That's absolutely correct. Okay, how about this nickel? Let's try, we'll go with you first.
Yeah.
I want you to feel it and look at it. What do you notice about it?
It has a person on it.
It does have a person on it, right? So that's the, can you flip it over and tell me something else about it?
It says 5 cents.
Right, there's two sides to it, right? And they don't look the same.
There's 2 sides.
So it's two-sided. All right, let's try the dime.
Wait,
The dime is worth how many?
I didn't have to.
That's okay, you can do this one. The dime is worth how many?
10.
Good. And can you tell me a characteristic about that dime?
It's smaller than the 25 cents.
It is smaller. Actually, if you look at all of them, it's the smallest one that we learned about today, right? So it's small. And is it a certain color?
It's silver.
It's silver. I heard you say gray too. Good, those would both be right. All right, now the last guy, we talked about him. He's worth the most that we learned about today. He was worth how many?
25.
Yes. Okay, so what I'm gonna have you do is feel it and look at it and tell me something about it.
It's bigger than the rest of all of them.
So it's big. You're right. That's it. And how about you?
It has an eagle on it.
It has an eagle on it. Okay, so it's also two-sided, right? Because look at the other side. We can write eagle too. Yes.
It's also a bald eagle.
Oh, it is a bald eagle. Okay, cool. Good job. Now, what we're going to do is move into our activity for today, all right? What I need you to do is, when I tell you to, you need to get into your buddy pairs that you already have. You're going to move to your spot that you typically go in, and I need you to be gentle and quiet and go efficiently, which we've talked about, right? Okay, so go ahead. You're going to move into your seats. Okay, this is where they move into their seats. And then I'm going to hand out everything you need for the activity, okay? So, each one of you will be getting this anchor chart. I lied, your record chart. That's the anchor chart. So I'm going to hand these out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It looks like this, okay? And what we're going to do is every single person will get their own little container of coins, right? These are the 4 coins we've learned about today in our lesson. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab between 1 and 3 coins, okay? You can grab 1, 2, or 3. And what I want you to do is lay them out. And I want you to put an X on the chart in the first column by what these ones are, okay? You have a column for penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. This will be up here if you need to reference it, okay? So in the first grab, you're going to put an X by the 2 you have. I just happened to get a penny and a dime. And then what I'm going to do is take a second and add them together, just like we did over here. So if I have a dime and a penny, how much do you think that equals? Yes?
6 cents.
How about think about up here, look at the dime. How much does that one equal?
11 cents.
Right, exactly, good job. So then on the side, you're gonna write 11 cents. It's 11 cents of $1, okay? So then I need you to do this 10 times. But what I want you to first to do,